Okay, now we have a Silvercrest kitchen tools, and this is a digital air fryer. Fries without needing to add oil or fat. That is a healthy option. It's delicious, it's fast, as it says. We are going to test it, and we are going to see how it performs in our kitchen. It takes 60 minutes. Approximately volume is 3.5 liter. Maximum wattage or energy it uses is 1634 watt, and there is a 3-year warranty with this. We bought Silvercrest usually, and they were very good quality. So let us see how this one is. It will be. I'm going to open it now. I'm now going to open, and oh, where is the knife? Here. Do you want to help me, please? Oh. Thank you.
I did.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Still not coming. Oh, right, you need to put it on.
There's a tab here, safety tab.
Those tabs really...
They're useful because
they're useful for
not
packing up, but they...
And also it's good to show that it's mint. Nobody has opened it, or it's not a returned item. Yeah. Ooh. New stuff. Put it there. Oh, it's a pusher here. A digital air fryer HFD 1500A2. Oh, it's bigger than what I thought. Can we lift it? Oh, should I lift it then to continue to fill? Oh God, it's bigger than what I thought. But yet we have a space here above it, and hopefully give us a healthy food. Ooh, looks elegant. From the same factory that produces Philips and other brands. Chinese factories. Oh, look, mint. Mint, mint, mint. What is this? Oh, that's the... Oh, you're removing the tabs.
Yeah, you need to put it out somehow.
Oh,
I don't know how. You need to read the...
So you can remove it now. And there is more tabs here, which you can remove. So practically that means it's new. Nobody has used it. They have put this there.
Practically it is new.
That's what I mean. When you add these tabs, it makes it new. This is the air vent. I think it sucks the air from here. Practically cleans your room.
I can't get this off.
Cleans your kitchen. Yeah, look. You cut it. You get it from here.
Okay.
Use your nails.
Well, I don't know. Bake them. I'm a woman, remember? I'm going to bake my fingernails.
From here.
Well, if you can pick it and I'll pull it. Okay. There you go.
And there is a non-stick label here. What is non-stick? Coreflon Ultra, Swiss technology. Oh, okay. Nice. I suppose like everything else, first we have to rinse it, then use it. So, the wire is here quite long actually. You can put it anywhere compared to other things that I've seen. And what you see here inside is the air fryer. Oh, it's a heating element. Let me just turn on the flash. Oh yeah, you can see. This is the heating element, and that's where the filter and the air pump is. So, practically you don't need any oil. That's what it says. Now I've connected it to the wall socket. Now let me turn it on. Ooh! The top looked quiet. Now you have something. You have to look how these things are. Everything was here. Could you see that?
Right.
It's full of the writings and the menu.
Maybe if you have to turn it on, don't you? The button where you turn it on.
I don't know, it's a button somewhere.
I don't know, you have to read the instructions.
This button is here. Look, it's hot.
Right, it's already hot. Well, I suggest you turn it off then. Shouldn't you be setting time and temperature?
Yeah.
You even need to read the brochure. And once
Yes, we do. How you actually open this basket from this container?
Well, according to this, you press the button and you put it up like that.
Oh,
It's very similar to, if anyone's got one of these fryers,
With oil.
fryers, with oil, it's very similar to this.
oh, there is a cardboard
The
here.
maintenance is similar, you know, the health and safety is similar.
Oh,
So,
easy.
Yeah, it's not difficult.
Okay, let's wash this
You
before the
just gotta
first
come-
use.
So
Huh?
the thing is, it's safe when you pick it up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it won't. You can't press the button by accident and lose the tray.
Yes,
So that's
okay.
in safety.
Safety, yeah, good. If no hot surface, hopefully
No,
will
no,
fall
no,
anyway.
no.
So let's go and wash this now. Before the first use, we have to clean and wash. Of this base, there is also this cardboard we have to remove. I found these two also inside it. So we will see what they
This will
are.
tell you what it's for.
Yeah. Can you just remove this, please?
Can't you?
Okay, now we are putting the potatoes in for the first time. We washed the basket and the tray, and now we are putting our own.
And you just put it
Yeah.
outside.
And the maximum it can take is half a kilo, so that's half a kilo, I think, all of this. It's 3 potatoes, 3 large potatoes. One of them is a Sarpo Mira, was very dense, almost like a walnut. Okay, now we push it in, gently it goes in, and clicks. Okay, now we have it in here. Now I'm going to turn it on. Oh, okay, it came on. Oh, when you press it now, because there is no cardboard blocking the electric current, it now can do. So I'm putting this is for the temperature, that you can increase the temperature, or you can use a pre-program, and this is for time. If you open it and see it's not cooked, you can increase or decrease the time. So Susan, it is fresh potato, huh?
Yes.
So practically we don't go for the frozen fish potato,
no,
we are
no,
going for
it's
the
fresh.
fresh one. So should I press it?
Well, press yes for fresh.
Oh, 180 degrees.
That's it, yeah.
Hopefully it will work.
And it's 50. That's automatic, is it, for 15 minutes? Because it may
Yeah, I
take
just
longer.
pressed it. Nothing
Did you
happened.
read the brochure where it said how many minutes?
Okay, for making it work, we have to press this button. Oh, it's good if... I thought that it would be very noisy. It's not that noisy at all. I thought it would be like a car clunking. Because I read some reviews, people were saying this non-oily ones are really making a lot of noise.
Some brands might make noise. Other brands may not. What brand did you say this was?
Silvercrest from the
Well,
Lidl.
they're not. Obviously, the Silvercrest doesn't make a lot of noise.
As you can see, 15 minutes at 180 degrees. It may need a little bit more time. I put the alarm on. That's the alarm, okay? Just in the case if you need. Okay, it's now 7 minutes has passed, and I thought that why not add some oil to it? So I'm having this spray, oil spray. I just spray a little bit.
So I'm just going to take.
You want to add some salt or no? Add the
Can
salt
do,
later.
but I think what we need to do.
Just be careful, it's hot.
Lift this out.
What you want? What you're
Well, I'm
doing?
going to lift this out and give it a shake.
No, don't bother with
Alright
that.
then.
Just put it back. If you want, give a shake here. You can do it with a spoon. Yeah, shake, leave it.
You should
Scatter.
give it a little bit more.
So they will not be
spray to
sticking
the
to each
ones-
other.
You should give a little spray to the ones that's been underneath.
Yeah. Expose all of them. Okay, I'll just spray it again with a little bit oil. Can you remove the cap, please? Thank you. This is the best way of doing oil, because in this way you're not actually just putting it over some little area, you're putting it all over it. And I'm not putting it back. And it automatically started again. Oh, that's amazing! our French fries were a bit thicker than normal, so we are going to do it another 15 minutes, or a little bit less probably. Let us see anyway. And we can remove it anytime we want, so we don't need to go full cycle. So it's now 7 minutes passed from the second round. I'm going just to have a look. I stopped it and I will have a look. Susan, do you want to come and have a taste? Oh, they look very crispy. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at it. Look like this TV chips. Or is it the top part only like this?
I don't know, let me get a fork.
Yeah, that's the here. The wooden thing. Oh, I never know that you can do it without much oil. So easy and nice.
Well, let's taste one, shall I?
Yeah, go on. It's very hot. Be careful. Does it need more cooking?
No, they're done.
They are ready. Okay, so we have been able to cook it in 22 minutes.
Well, it would be an idea, some people suggested, that you season them first, not just with salt, but any seasoning.
Okay, we can add the seasoning now.
Seasoning, allspice, anything like that.
Or herbs.
Or herbs, anything, yeah. And give them a nice flavour, any flavour you like.
Oh, I like this. Thank you. Did you like it? So you think it is cooked?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, they look cooked to me. That's it. I'm going to stop this. I'm putting it here back. And I'll make sure this is turned off. And I don't know how to turn it off, so I turn it off from electric. Yeah. Oh, beautiful. Finally, a healthy chips. Thank you, Lidl's. That was really good. We bought it 49 something, 95, and really it works. I remember they are very expensive, you know. If you buy from somewhere like Philips, they will be around £200. No, you can get it for less than 50. They give you change also. You pay 50 and they give you some change back. Our chips is ready. I've added some salt and let me taste it for the first time. It's a very low fat chips, so we can enjoy it. Oh, it's yummy. Oh, oh, it doesn't have that heavy flavor and taste of the oil. That's horrible thing. Oh, I can add anything I want. Look, paprika. Everyday chips from now on. What do you think? Adding some paprika. Oh, it's so nice. Like the ones my mom used to make without, without any oil.
Did she put them in the oven? With the oven chips?
I think that she was not making chips. She was making something else. Chips always, people need oil. Oh, I smell the taste, the flavor. It's all, you don't see any of the oil. You just see the potato. It's taste the flavor of potato. Oh, that's the best ever. Do you like it, Susan?
Yeah.
Oh, lovely. Let's go for it.
Okay, now you've got your guilt-free chips.
Is it really true? You can't have chips without feeling guilty.
Well, they're not saturated in oil, are they?
No.
And providing they've been well cooked and well soft and they've got seasoning, then
Oh,
it's
lovely.
absolutely delicious.
Everyday chips now, from now on. Please, can I?
Well, it's just like eating ordinary boiled potatoes.
I think we should say to Andrew.
Oh, yeah.
He will have.
There you go.
Should I get one for him and just pass it to him?
No, you won't.
Will £50?